Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about everybody's favorite thing in the world, acne. Yay! Sarcasm, I know. But everybody, or not everybody, most people have acne. Some people can get rid of it easier than others. I have it. Mine's unfortunately not as easy to get rid of, except for some stuff makes you break out. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the more common types of acne, and those are usually whiteheads and blackheads. These are really simple, they're the easier ones to get rid of. Usually they won't last more than 2 or 3 weeks if you take care of your face properly. Just any sort of regular wash will get rid of them. Keep your face clean. Do not wash more than twice a day, which will result in over-drying your skin, causing your face to produce more oils, and gets blocked up more. Okay. Next, there are two called papules and pustules. I'm not a big fan of the names here. Papules are just inflamed red bumps. Do not pick at these because you will get scarring. I know how that feels. I have tons. But if you pick at papules, usually they will bleed. They're not pus-filled. It's just blood, and you'll get some oil, and it will leave a scar. Now, pustules are the same thing as a papule, except they do have pus and oil and sebum. Sebum. I'm going to say sebum. Makes me sound smarter. It has sebum inside of it. Those you can usually pop, but do it safely right after you take a shower when your skin is still very soft. Take 2 cotton swabs and push. And that's it. That's the safest way to get rid of them. It empties it out, you just wipe it off, and you're good to go. Just continue with what you were doing before. If you do it correctly, scarring should be very minimal. If you do not do it correctly, scarring is going to happen. Yay. I shouldn't be saying yay. Why am I saying yay? I don't know. This is a more severe type of acne, and this is the one that I currently suffer from. It is called pyoderma facial. One of those fancier names, and it's pretty much just a mixture of all types of acne, mostly on your face. I don't get it on my body, which I think is weird because it's really bad on my face, but that's it. It stops here. It's kind of gross though. It's usually in people females, usually only. I find that weird. It's usually only in females ages 20 to 40. Usually when you have acne like that, they prescribe Accutane, which I will go over a little bit later if you stay tuned. You can get it even if you've never had acne before in your life, so none of you are safe. Just kidding. That probably did scare some of you. Like, oh, my face, my face. It usually doesn't last longer than a year, but it causes some pretty severe damage. You get scars, discoloration, which makeup. But I've had it's on and off for a couple years now, and I've been to lots of doctors, and I've had a lot of different medications. It's just not cool. I've stopped taking pretty much all prescribed stuff for it. Over-the-counter options. Now, the most common one, or most commonly used one, is benzoyl peroxide. It's found in almost everything. Neutrogena, Clearasil, Oxy, anything. I'll just say anything. You will find benzoyl peroxide in. Use sparingly. It does cause dryness. It will bleach hair, clothing, because it's peroxide. Like some people used to use hydrogen peroxide to bleach their hair. Benzoyl peroxide, hydrogen peroxide, both peroxide. It's a bleaching agent. The next one is salicylic acid, and I hope I'm pronouncing that one right. This one's a little more effective than benzoyl peroxide. It helps control oil production in your pores, so it won't make as much. So if you're using a product that has salicylic acid in it, invest in a good moisturizer. Also, do not use salicylic acid products along with benzoyl peroxide products or sulfur items. It will cause even more extreme dryness, and you'll have to go see a dermatologist to fix that problem as well. Now, 2 more are sulfur and resicinol, something with an R. Can't pronounce it. I'm bad at this. Those are 2 less commonly used. I know Proactive has a sulfur mask. The only problem with these 2 is they smell funny and may cause discoloration in your skin, but they do work slightly better. So, for those of you that don't want to go and spend hundreds of dollars at a store or buying acne prescriptions and all that good stuff, there are some great at-home options for you, and it's probably stuff that you already have. So the first one, I'm going to pull out, is good for simplest acne. Epsom salt. You can make a scrub out of it, you can make a toner out of it, just mix it with some water, you're good to go. It's amazing, it really helps close up those pores, clears them out. Great. It's also good to put in a bath. Next one is green tea. Helps reduce redness and swelling in your face. So if you get really big red bumps, just make a little paste. This is matcha green tea, so it's a powder. You can use regular green tea. I can't read what's on the front of this, but it's green tea. Yay! It's in Japanese. I don't read that. But it does help reduce redness, and that's why a lot of masks will have green tea. If you are looking for a mask, look for a green tea one. To help kill bacteria that's living in the oil in your face, which is what causes acne, by the way. Honey. You can use it for cuts, scrapes, burns, blisters, bruises. Well, maybe not bruises, but you know, just any lesions to the skin. This will help clean it out better than Neosporin. Honey, this is just honey. Any honey really will work. Organic honey's best, less chemicals. Good for clearing out your pores. And the last, but not so least, my personal favorite, olive oil. Amazing. I know ancient Greeks and Romans used to use this stuff. They'd put it in their bath. It's great. Amazing. This is my moisturizer right here. Seriously, I use this to moisturize. This is like $2. Seriously, okay, compare a $30 moisturizer to a $2 one. And this is probably twice to 3 times as much as you would get for a $30 moisturizer. It helps even out skin tone, it helps clean, it removes any excess makeup you have left on that would clog your pores and cause buildup of oil so the bacteria can live in and cause acne. That was a weird, I shouldn't do that again. I really shouldn't. But olive oil is like, I wouldn't say a miracle, but pretty close to it. I'd put it up there. Usually people nowadays go straight for whatever they know is going to work. But Accutane does not always work 100%. It's something that I personally believe you should use as a last resort because of how many side effects there are. And lots of people do have side effects from Accutane. What it does is it reduces the size of your oil glands and reduces the amount of oil that your skin can produce. That will leave your skin very, very dry. It'll leave it itchy. You'll probably get some red splotches. It'll start peeling, and that's just basic, and that is just basic side effects. You can also have irregular blood tests, white cell imbalances, severe depression, back pain, neck pain, headaches, hair loss, vision problems, nosebleeds, just lots of, I'm looking at a picture. Of what the side effects are now, and it's just, there's too many. Please guys, just don't automatically go and request Accutane. Look for a more natural option before you resort to that. So, as you probably know, I can't tell you everything there is to know about acne, but if you do want to learn more and learn about more of your options, I suggest you go to acne.org. They have some really great information. All the information I've been telling you has come from that website, which I'm on right now. It's run by some great people. If you have any questions, you can ask them. There's anything. You'll learn that you are not the only person that suffers from this problem. Sometimes I know it feels like it. You go to school and it seems all the other kids around you have perfectly clear skin. You see it on TV and in magazines. Everybody has clear skin. Even in the Acne commercials, they have clear skin. I don't understand that one. They need to get some real people in there. But just learn about all of your options. Don't automatically assume something is going to be your miracle drug, because it probably will not be. And I don't want you guys to have to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on treatments that are not going to work. Go consult a dermatologist, go consult your general physician, general physician. Go to more than one dermatologist. Seek help from all different avenues. Girls, you can go to your gynecologist and ask them questions, because sometimes acne is hormonal. Well, that's another one I forgot to mention. Acne can also be caused by hormones, so if you do go see a gynecologist, ask her. They're okay with answering that. That's what I did, and yeah, my face is starting to clear up now. It's probably the best thing I ever did was asking my gynecologist. I probably shouldn't be saying this, but oh well. Just try and get as much information as you can so you know what you're asking when you go to a doctor. And when a doctor prescribes something, you know what they're talking about, and you already know what you're going to put in your body. It causes a lot more harm than I think it should, but there's really nothing we can do about it. People have suffered from this since people have been around. It's just something we have to deal with, and I think finding the safest way to deal with it is the best. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message or leave a comment below. Yeah, thanks for watching. I really do hope this helps some of you guys, and that some of you will go check out this website. I'll link it below as well. Please go check it out, get all the information you need. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.